This is it! August 2025 is the last month ever to buy yourself a TM6 from manufacturer, because the TM7 is almost here. You heard that right? You have until August 31st to decide whether you want a TM6 or a TM7. I know you've been wanting a Thermomix, but now, choices. Which one do I want? Well, let me see if I can help. Everyone is asking what the main differences are, so let me break them down for you. Number one, the look. Some people love the classic white TM6. Some people love the black futuristic modern look of the TM7. And many people are choosing their model just on this huge difference. Number two, the new insulated bowl. It actually brings three differences. A, makes cooking more silent. On speeds 2 and under, you cannot hear a thing. For higher speeds, you hear it, but less. B, the insulation protects your hands from the heat, so you can grab the bowl with 2 hands if needed. C, but due to the insulation cover, the TM7 mixing bowl is heavier than the TM6 bowl, 4.6 pounds instead of 3.8 pounds. And that is without the food. Number 3, open cooking. With the TM7, you can now cook without the lid, up to boiling point temperature, with no mixing knife rotation, like a pot on your stove. With TM6, you need to close the lid, cook, then open the lid, add stuff, or try the food, then close the lid, etc. I mean, it doesn't take long. Number 4, browning manual mode. With the TM6, you can only use high heat steps with guided cooking. With the TM7, you can brown those vegetables or sear those meats on demand without having to use a guided recipe. But you can brown with both models. Really, it's a convenience thing, being able to do it manually or needing a guided recipe to do it. Number 5, bigger Varoma. The TM7 brings 45% more space in the Varoma, so you can steam more quantity. Number 6, bigger screen, obviously, with a more intuitive system to follow recipes. Now, something to consider. Some people like using the dial of the TM6 to make choices. With the TM7, everything is done with a digital screen. No buttons, no dials. Number 7, other improvements worth mentioning are a built-in slider, so you can move your Thermomix on your countertop more easily, and a flat base, so it's easier to carry than this base. And obviously, the fact that it's a newer model, new tech. Those are the biggest differences that we know about. But there's a big similarity. The food you make with either model, amazing. Either way. And now, let's talk about the difference in price or with the deals. For the TM6, during August, we have the Farewell Bundle. The price, $1,649, but no tax. That is already a huge discount. It comes with $397 in extra accessories, which are the favorite accessories. The second mixing bowl, the Cutter Plus, which includes the spiralizer, and the blade cover and peeler. The warranty, 5 years instead of 2. That's crazy! And yes, Thermomix will service TM6 models for at least 10 years. Now, the last day to order, August 31st, or until supplies last. The TM7 starts the pre-sale on September 2nd, but shipping won't start until October 1st. The price, $1,699 plus tax. Extra gifts? None. There will not be any bundles for at least 6 months. Obviously, it comes with the Varoma and the spatula, all the basic things, same as the TM6, but no extra accessories for at least 6 months. And the warranty? 2 years, as usual. Now, if you want to become a consultant, email me right here. You can work to earn yours for free or at a big discount, and your TM7 will ship in September. So, after all of this, I have 2 questions for you. Which look do you like the most in your kitchen? Value now or future tech? Please do the math. See the options, and if your answer is a TM6, hurry up! Now, if you want the TM7, then you're golden. It's almost here. But I have people stocking up with TM6s for their children to go to college because that's the one they like. So, for those people, it really is now or never if you want your unit coming from manufacturer. If you want it secondhand, of course, there will be some, but not new from manufacturer. If you have already made a decision, please use my free shipping link. It will save you $99 in shipping when you buy either model. If you need help deciding, please email me and we'll get on a call to brainstorm together. I really hope this video helped you. Thank you so much.